So this is exactly how to connect any of your Bluetooth headphones with your Xbox Series X or Series S. Well, the first thing we need to do is to actually connect it to our TV where our Xbox is connected to as well. Because if you're trying to connect your Bluetooth headphones directly to your Xbox X or S, it's not going to recognize it, but it will recognize it if you're connected to a TV instead. I'm going to show you what I mean. So firstly, go into settings on your TV and then go into, for me it says remotes and accessories here, but for you it might say Bluetooth and accessories, for example. Then I'm just going to click on pair accessory here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you by putting my headset into pairing mode. But because I have to click on the power button here on my headset to be able to put it into pairing mode. And now it is in pairing mode. Perfect. So now I'm just going to click on OK. And then click on my headset right here and to be able to pair it to my TV and then click on pair. And now it's paired, as you can see. So now what you need to do is to just go back to your Xbox, make sure that it's connected to this TV or to your TV that the headphones is connected to as well, and you will be able to see that it will work. So basically that is exactly how to actually do this.